Alright, well, we're back. My phone broke, so I couldn't really do much with it. But now I have a good one with a good camera. Have the same editing software. Hopefully it's better. So this is Maisey. Grown up a bit. Got some new toys on a stand. Before there used to be a bit of rope from going from there down to there. Changed up for this little ladder I made. Got this little homemade dice, plastic beads. This little ring, she likes that. And then this, she likes this the most. She can run around it, attack us. She can talk a lot better now. It's really cool. Okay, this time I promise I'll try and upload at least twice a week. Righto, here's a video of Maisey playing in the rain.